Do you forget names easily? Do you struggle to focus during work or study? You're not alone. Small food changes can help your brain work better. Below are 10 easy, science-backed foods that support memory and focus. The language is simple. The tips are practical. Let's dive in. How food helps the brain. Food gives the brain fuel and building blocks. Some foods reduce inflammation. Others protect brain cells from damage. A few help brain cells talk to each other faster. Eating the right mix every day can help memory and attention over time. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Why it helps. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fats, especially DHA and EPA. These fats are part of brain cell membranes. They support learning and memory. Several studies show omega-3 south can improve attention and memory, especially in people with low omega-3 levels. Try to eat fatty fish 2-3 times a week or talk to a doctor about supplements if you don't eat fish. How to eat it? Grill salmon, add sardines to salads, or make a quick mackerel curry. 2. Blueberries and other berries. Why it helps. Berries are full of anthocyanins and antioxidants. These compounds fight inflammation and protect brain cells. Small human trials found that regular blueberry intake improved memory in older adults. Even a small daily portion, a handful, may help blood flow to the brain and memory over time. How to eat it. Add berries to yogurt, oats, or smoothies. 3. Turmeric. Curcumin. Why it helps. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Some studies show curcumin can improve working memory and mood, but not all research is consistent. The overall picture is mixed. Curcumin may help certain people, especially when taken in a form that the body absorbs well. If you try it, pair curcumin with black pepper, piperine, or choose a tested supplement for better absorption. How to eat it. Add turmeric to soups, rice, or smoothies. Use black pepper for better absorption. 4. Walnuts. Why it helps. Walnuts have healthy fats, antioxidants, and compounds that fight inflammation. Animal and some human studies link walnut consumption with benefits to memory and brain health. Eating a small handful of walnuts daily is an easy, tasty habit. How to eat it. Toss walnuts into salads, mix into oatmeal, or snack on them raw. 5. Eggs. Choline. Why it helps. Egg yolks are a good source of choline. Choline is important for making acetylcholine, a brain chemical that helps memory and thinking. Studies suggest regular choline intake from foods like eggs supports verbal memory and brain function. If you don't like eggs, look for other choline sources like soy, chicken, or certain beans. How to eat it. Boil, scramble, or add a poached egg to a grain bowl. 6. Green tea. Why it helps. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine. The pair gives gentle alertness and calm focus. Research shows green tea can improve attention and working memory. It's a good choice when coffee makes you jittery. How to drink it. Sip a cup of green tea in the morning or between work sessions. 7. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more. Why it helps. Dark chocolate has flavonols. These compounds can boost blood flow to the brain and help short-term memory and attention. A small piece, not a giant bar, can be a smart treat to sharpen focus. Keep portions small and choose high cocoa content. How to eat it. Enjoy a square or two of dark chocolate after lunch for a midday lift. 8. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Why it helps. Leafy greens contain vitamin K, folate, lutein, and other nutrients linked to brain health. Long-term studies show people who eat more leafy greens have slower cognitive decline as they age. These vegetables are simple, cheap, and full of nutrients for memory support. How to eat it. Add a handful to smoothies, make a salad, or salt with garlic. 9. Pumpkin seeds and other seeds. Why it helps. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants. These minerals support nerve function, mood, and memory. Zinc helps brain signaling. Magnesium supports learning and memory. A small daily serving of seeds is an easy way to boost minerals that the brain needs. How to eat it. Sprinkle on yogurt, salads, or eat a small handful as a snack. 10. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, quinoa. Why it helps. Whole grains release glucose slowly. This steady fuel helps the brain stay focused. Whole grains also contain B vitamins that support brain health. Studies link whole grain intake with better metabolic health and, in some studies, a lower rate of cognitive decline. Replace refined grains with whole grains for more stable energy and clearer thinking. How to eat it. Swap white rice for brown rice or try overnight oats for breakfast. Practical tips. How to use these foods every day. Mix and match. Build meals with 1 protein, 1 green, 1 whole grain, and a handful of seeds or nuts. Add berries for dessert. Small steps win. You don't need to change everything. Add fish twice a week. Snack on a handful of walnuts. Replace white rice with brown rice 3 times a week. Stay consistent. Brain benefits come from long-term habits, not one meal. Small daily choices add up. Watch added sugar and trans fats, they harm brain health. Choose whole foods instead of processed snacks. Balance with other healthy habits. Sleep, exercise, stress control, and social time matter for memory and focus too. Food helps most when paired with these habits. No single food will cure memory loss. Foods can support brain health. They work best with exercise, sleep, and medical care when needed. If you take medicines, are pregnant, or have health concerns, talk with your doctor before starting new supplements or big diet changes. Quick 7-day sample plan. Easy Day 1. Salmon plus brown rice plus spinach, blueberries for snacks. Day 2. Omelette with eggs and kale, pumpkin seeds on yogurt. Day 3. Sardines on toast, whole grain. Side salad with walnuts. Day 4, stir-fry with tofu, mixed greens, and brown rice. A square of dark chocolate. Day 5, mackerel salad, berry oatmeal for breakfast. Day 6, turmeric lentil soup with a whole grain roll. Green tea between tasks. Day 7, salmon bowl with quinoa, avocado, and mixed greens. Handful of pumpkin seeds. Final thoughts, simple and hopeful. Improving memory and focus doesn't need to be hard. Add 1 brain-friendly food to your day. Try new recipes. Enjoy meals that help your body and mind. Over weeks and months, you may notice clearer thinking, better focus, and steadier moods. Small food steps make a big difference.